What many people don't understand is that politics is a very big part of defending DUI cases. In a fair and perfect world, you would expect to be treated the same whichever court you go to, and fairly and reasonably by judges and prosecutors without reference to geography. However, the reality of my practice is that penalties and approaches differ sometimes quite considerably from court to court and from county to county. In Los Angeles County, there are courts which have a reputation for being, let's say, fair and reasonable, and there are courts which have a reputation, perhaps because of the judges that sit in those courts or the prosecutors that are making decisions there, they have a reputation for being tougher and sometimes very tough. You need an attorney who is aware of that, because sometimes it's not appropriate for your attorney to walk into court with all guns blazing, making accusations, if you're coming up against a judge and a prosecutor who is going to be affected by that in a very unfavorable manner to you. So politics is a very big part of this. You need to have an attorney who is familiar with the court where your case is going to be heard, and that applies to the DMV as well. There are good hearing officers, there are bad hearing officers. Some people are reasonable, some people are not. We have the knowledge as to who to speak with and how and on what day. And that's part of what we provide with our service to our clients. Any experienced DUI defense lawyer who practices in Orange County on a day-to-day basis will tell you that policies there are tough on DUIs. Orange County generally is a conservative jurisdiction. The district attorney's office reflects the attitude of the community there. And you have to be aware of that, and you have to adjust your approach accordingly. Prosecutors in Orange County like to and respond to information about you. If you are able to provide some evidence as to your good character, if you are willing to engage in short-term activities that promote settlement, and if you can convince a prosecutor that this is not you, that this is out of character, it's not going to happen again, prosecutors in Orange County like to see that, and they do respond to it favorably. So you have to adjust your approach, you have to understand who you're dealing with, and you have to choose your opportunity. Sometimes you can be in court one day, the prosecutor you want to deal with is not there. What do? You don't resolve your case, you continue the case, and you give yourself an opportunity to speak with the prosecutor that you want to resolve your case with. Politics is very important. It's just as important, in fact, as the facts of your case.